Hey guys, this is part 2 of that first video. This time the camera's gonna be facing me, so I can probably clean it up against this grass down here so you can see a little bit better. Hold on. I guess that'll be better for y'all and I can aim, so we'll just see what happens. See if I can get this bird that's up in this tree right here. It didn't sound like a shot, but the bird scattered. I might have hit one, I don't know. Didn't see one fall. But we'll find out. I'm trying. Caleb would be here, but his brother had a baseball tournament in Georgia he had to go to, so he might come over later this afternoon, I don't know. Let's just find out. This one tree, there's tons of birds in it. I wish some would come in this dead tree that's right across from me. Here's a nice one. Theirs is too far away. I need some to come to this tree right here. I should, you know what I'm gonna do actually? At my house right over there, I'll probably walk to it and later, and there's some bird seed there. So I'll just go lay some bird seed out right across the street from here, and as they flutter down to go get it, I can pop them, I guess. So, this has only been like a 3-minute video, but the battery, once again, is about to die. So, watch the first part and the second part of this video. There will be a part 3, actually, and that will be when I get the bird seed over here. So, well, thanks for watching. See us in part 3.